Hello friends, our topic is dental product and presented by myself, Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gowde. Dental product. First of all, we see what is dental hygiene. It is the most important for human body as there are many products are present in market for the dental hygiene of teeth and as considered as dental products. The substance used to produce effect on teeth and in dental cavity is called dental products. For example, sodium fluoride. Now we see the type of dental products. First type is anti-caries agent and the example is sodium fluoride. Second example is cleaning agent and the example is dibasic calcium phosphate. Third class is polishing agent and the example is sodium metaphosphate, and the fourth class is desensitizing agent and the example is zinc chloride. Now we see the first type of dental product, that is anti-caries agent. Dental caries is a disease of teeth caused by acid produced by the action of microorganisms on carbohydrates. So, to prevent dental caries, anti-caries agents are used. Ammoniated toothpaste are used in anti-caries agent. Fluoride is the best example of anti-caries agent. Fluoride helps in preventing dental caries. Fluoride forms an extra layer on teeth and prevents tooth decay. We get fluoride from municipality water. If there is a huge fluoride is present on the teeth, it is known as dental fluorosis. Second type is cleaning agents. A good cleaning agent have coarse to fine particle size and satisfactory abrasive property. Cleaning agent must be remove stain from the teeth. Dentifrice is a material which is used for cleaning of teeth and adjacent gums. Dentifrices are applied as a powder or pastes. Mainly phosphate is used in dentifrices as a cleaning agent. For example, dibasic calcium phosphate. Third type is polishing agent. One of the requirements of good dental product is to have polishing effect on clean teeth. The polishing effect is achieved by abrasive action. The overall effect is giving whiteness to the teeth. For example, sodium metaphosphate. And the fourth class of dental product is desensitizing agent. Desensitizing agents are used in the tooth decay or in perception of heat and cold. It is used to reduce sensitivity of heat and cold. It is probably act like local anesthetic. For example, zinc chloride. Now we see examples of dental products. Sodium fluoride. The chemical formula for sodium fluoride is NF and the molecular weight is 41.99. Method of preparation. Sodium fluoride can be prepared by passing hydrogen fluoride into solution of sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3 plus 2HF. That hydrogen fluoride gives 2 molecules of sodium fluoride plus evaluation of CO2, carbon dioxide and water. Physical property. Colorless powder, odorless, salty taste, soluble in water, insoluble in alcohol. Uses: anti-caries agent, prophylaxis of dental caries, manufacturing of dental products used for the preparation of insecticides and rodenticides. Storage: it should be stored in well-closed container at cool place. Second example is stannous fluoride, SnF2. Synonym is tin fluoride. Method of preparation is by using or by mixing stannous oxide with hydrofluoric acid. Stannous oxide SnO plus 2 molecules of hydrofluoric acid, that gives stannous fluoride plus water molecule. Physical property. Colorless powder, odorless, salty taste, soluble in water, insoluble in alcohol, insoluble in ether. Uses: Anti-carying agent, prophylaxis of dental caries, manufacturing of dental products. Storage, it should be stored in well-closed container at a cool place. Next example from phosphate group is dicalcium phosphate, CaHPO4 2H2O. Synonym is dibasic calcium phosphate, calcium monohydrogen phosphate, secondary calcium phosphate, calcium hydrogen phosphate. Method of preparation, it is simply prepared by using calcium chloride and disodium hydrogen phosphate. Physical property, it is colorless powder, odorless, tasteless, insoluble in water, insoluble in alcohol but soluble in dilute hydrochloric acid and nitric acid solutions. Uses as a dental product for cleaning. Second is manufacturing of dental products. And third one is used as a source of calcium and phosphate. Storage, it should be stored in well-closed container at cool place. Next example is sodium metaphosphate, NaPO3. Synonym is Madrel's salt and Graham's salt. It is prepared by dehydration of sodium phosphate. Physical property, colorless powder, odorless, tasteless, insoluble in water, soluble in mineral salt solution, hygroscopic in nature. Uses as a dental product, especially polishing agent, manufacturing of dental products, and use in detergent preparation. Storage, it is stored in well-closed container at a cool place. Next example is calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Synonym, calcium carbonate, calcicarbones, precipitate, calcium carbonate and precipitated chalk. Method of preparation, it is prepared by passing carbon dioxide gas through lime water. Lime water means calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice plus CO2, that is gives CaCO3 plus water molecule, that is formation of or preparation of calcium carbonate. Physical property, it is colorless powder, odorless, tasteless, insoluble in water, insoluble in alcohol. Chemical property, when calcium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid, it gives salt and water. CaCO3 plus 2 molecule of HCl, that gives CaCl2, that is salt, plus carbon dioxide and water molecule. Second chemical property, when it is react with sulfuric acid, it gives salt and water. Again, when it is react with H2SO4, it gives salt, that is calcium sulfate, release of CO2 and water molecule. Uses as a dental product, polishing agent, manufacturing of dental product as an antacid, manufacturing of quicklime in agriculture field for neutralization of acid, and used as a dentifrice. Storage, it should be stored in well-closed container at a cool place. Next example is strontium chloride, SrCl2 6H2O. Method of preparation, by treating strontium oxide with hydrochloric acid. Strontium oxide SrO plus 2 molecule of HCl, that gives strontium chloride and water molecule. Physical property, colorless powder, odorless, tasteless, soluble in water, soluble in alcohol. Aqueous solution is neutral in nature. Uses as a dental product, desensitizing agent. Second one, manufacturing of dental product. Storage condition, it is stored in well-closed container at a cool place. Zinc oxide, ZnCl2 6H2O. Synonym is butter of zinc. Method of preparation, it is simply prepared by heating metallic zinc with hydrochloric acid. Physical property, white colored powder, odorless, tasteless, soluble in water, soluble in alcohol, soluble in glycerin. Aqueous solution is acidic in nature. Uses as a dental product, desensitizing agent. Manufacturing of dental product as a astringent, mild antiseptic in manufacturing of fireproof wood. And storage condition is it should be stored in well-closed container at a cool place. Thank you.